Hi guys, today I'm going to show you how you can solve money on hold in PayPal. So let's get started. Here we are in paypal.com right here. As currently I am using my browser, but you can also use your phone if you want. But if this is not working for you in your phone, then you could try using it in a browser. So first what we have to do is simply go here in settings and make sure that our account is verified. Like here, you need to provide your ID right here if you don't want to provide your bank account or credit cards, but you can provide both your valid ID right here or your necessary documents, and also your bank accounts right here, or link a card. That way you could get verified much faster. And after doing all of this, you simply need to update the trackers in your orders. Let's say here, let's go to my first transaction for this account. Let's go show all right here, and we want to go here. And as you can see right here, this is my first transaction. And in here, what you want to do in your transaction, when you go there to the transaction that is currently on hold, you want to go here on edit tracking info, and you want to edit it. But as you can see, it says that it is an invalid tracking number. Something is not right because simply it is already done. It is a long time ago, so I'm not able to do that anymore. So in your case, what you want to do is go there and edit the tracking info to the correct tracking info. And you would also see an option right here to update the status if it is delivered, or you could put more information like if it's a virtual product or a physical product, was it shipped. Just like that, you need to provide all the information needed here, and you can find it here by going into your transaction right here, because that is what it says right here in paypal.com. And this is what I have followed also when I first received my account right here. That is also what I did for my next transactions right here, just like this one. But as you can see right here, I didn't update the shipping tracking right here because I'm not really in a rush. So that's it. And that's basically how you can get your money on hold fast in PayPal as soon as possible. But it is impossible to get it within a day if your account is completely brand new, or for other reasons that your money is on hold. Thank you for watching. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to be updated on our new uploads. See you soon.